Tornadoes and storms in the United States. Nature's extreme forces. The United States is a country frequently affected by extreme weather events. Among these, tornadoes and storms stand out as some of the most powerful and destructive forces of nature. Understanding how they form, where they occur, and the impact they have on communities is crucial for safety, preparedness, and appreciating the incredible power of nature. Introduction to tornadoes and storms. Tornadoes are rapidly rotating columns of air that extend from a thunderstorm to the ground. They are among the most violent atmospheric phenomena on Earth, capable of producing winds over 300 miles per hour. Storms, including thunderstorms, hailstorms, and hurricanes, often accompany tornado activity and contribute to widespread destruction. In the United States, tornadoes are most common in the central part of the country, in an area often referred to as Tornado Alley. This region includes parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, and South Dakota. Storms in the United States are not limited to tornadoes. The country experiences a variety of severe weather, including thunderstorms with heavy rain, hail, strong winds, and even snowstorms in northern regions. Hurricanes, which are tropical storms originating in the Atlantic Ocean, often hit the Gulf Coast and eastern seaboard, causing flooding and wind damage. The combination of tornadoes, thunderstorms, and hurricanes demonstrates the diversity and strength of extreme weather in the U.S. How tornadoes form. Tornado formation begins within powerful thunderstorms called supercells. Supercells are characterized by a rotating updraft known as a mesocyclone. Warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico rises and meets cool, dry air from the Rocky Mountains or Canada. This collision of air masses creates instability in the atmosphere, which is a key ingredient for tornado development. As the storm develops, wind shear, the change in wind speed or direction with height, causes the rotating column of air to tilt and stretch. Once the rotation extends downward from the cloud base to the ground, a tornado is born. Tornadoes vary in size, shape, and intensity. Some appear as narrow, rope-like funnels, while others are wide and wedge-shaped, capable of destroying entire neighborhoods in minutes. Tornado Alley, America's tornado hotspot. Tornado Alley is the region of the central United States that experiences the highest frequency of tornadoes. It includes parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, and South Dakota, though tornadoes can occur in many other states as well. The flat terrain in this area allows cold and warm air masses to collide freely, creating ideal conditions for supercell thunderstorms. Peak tornado season in the U.S. varies depending on the region. In the southern states, tornadoes are most common in the spring, while northern states see more tornadoes in late spring and early summer. Tornado outbreaks, when multiple tornadoes occur within a short period, can be especially devastating, leaving a trail of destruction across multiple states. Storms beyond tornadoes. In addition to tornadoes, the United States faces a variety of other severe storms. Thunderstorms are extremely common and can produce lightning, hail, and strong winds. These storms can develop quickly and cause flash floods, property damage, and even fatalities. Hurricanes are another major type of storm impacting the U.S., particularly along the Gulf Coast and the Atlantic seaboard. Hurricanes are massive tropical systems with sustained winds exceeding 74 miles per hour. They can bring heavy rainfall, storm surges, and flooding that affects cities and rural areas alike. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 and Hurricane Harvey in 2017 are two notable examples that caused immense damage and reshaped disaster preparedness strategies in the country. The destructive power of tornadoes and storms. The damage caused by tornadoes and storms is extensive. Tornadoes can destroy homes, flip cars, and uproot trees within minutes. The Enhanced Fujita Scale, EF scale, classifies tornadoes based on wind speed and the damage they cause, ranging from EF0, light damage, to EF5, incredible damage. EF5 tornadoes are rare but extremely destructive, with winds exceeding 200 miles per hour. Storms that accompany tornadoes, such as hail, lightning, and heavy rain, can exacerbate the destruction. Flooding caused by intense rainfall or hurricane storm surges can displace thousands of people, destroy infrastructure, and lead to long-term economic challenges for affected communities. Safety and preparedness. Preparedness is key to surviving tornadoes and severe storms. Meteorologists use advanced radar and satellite systems to monitor storm development and provide early warnings to the public. Communities often have tornado sirens, emergency shelters, and evacuation plans in place. Individuals can take precautions by keeping an emergency kit with food, water, and medical supplies. Knowing safe locations in a home, such as basements or interior rooms without windows, can save lives during a tornado. Understanding weather alerts, such as watches and warnings, is also critical for timely action. The role of meteorology and technology. Meteorology plays a vital role in understanding and predicting tornadoes and storms. Modern technology, including Doppler radar, weather satellites, and computer models, allows scientists to track storm systems and predict their potential impact. Improved forecasting has saved countless lives by giving people time to prepare or evacuate. Researchers continue to study tornado formation, storm patterns, and climate change to better understand trends and mitigate risks. Climate change may influence storm intensity and frequency, making ongoing research and preparedness even more important for communities across the United States. Famous tornado events in U.S. history. Throughout history, the United States has experienced numerous devastating tornadoes. The tri-state tornado of 1925 remains the deadliest in U.S. history, killing over 700 people across Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. More recent events, such as the Joplin tornado in 2011, highlight how urban areas are also vulnerable to these extreme events. Hurricanes and tropical storms have similarly shaped history. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 resulted in over 1,800 deaths and caused catastrophic flooding in New Orleans. Hurricane Sandy in 2012 impacted the northeastern U.S., causing widespread power outages and damage along the Atlantic coast. These events serve as reminders of nature's immense power and the importance of preparedness. Conclusion. Tornadoes and storms in the United States are extraordinary displays of nature's power. They demonstrate both the beauty and danger of our planet's atmospheric forces. Understanding how these storms form, where they occur, and how to stay safe is essential for protecting lives and property. While we cannot control these natural phenomena, advances in meteorology, technology, and community preparedness allow us to minimize their impact. By studying tornadoes and storms, we not only gain insight into the forces shaping our world, but also learn how to respect and coexist with nature's incredible power. The United States will continue to experience tornadoes, hurricanes, and severe storms, but with knowledge, preparation, and respect for nature, communities can survive and recover. These extreme weather events remind us of the delicate balance between humans and the natural world, a balance we must understand and honor.